right, guys, here it is. Two big boxes showed up at my work today. Huge boxes. So this is the roof. The AFX Motorsports CanAm X3 Max. This is their lowered version, which relates to the front edge of it, and I'll show you more of that here in a little bit. So I'm going to do some unboxing, and we can take a look at what we got. Okay guys, so let's take a look here. We got the front and the back half of the roof. Good packaging, slight little bit of a ding on one of the corners, the back corner actually, of this front roof. The front part of the roof has a nice couple of bends here and the little structure there that's going to support it because it does sit a little bit up above the roll bar in the front to accommodate the shape of the factory roll cage. We got a nice curvature here on the back piece. This curvature is designed here to line up with the back curvature of the roll cage. So that should look really nice when it's all bolted down and put together. Like you can see, the packaging was really good. Here is the H-bar. So the H-bar, also nice look. You can see here the H-bar has the little angled and slotted bolt together points just like the factory one. It's a nice matte finish, a little bit shiny compared to what my cage looks like. Keep in mind, mine's a 2018, so a couple of years in the sun. You can see here the cage is faded a little bit, but it looks very similar to the spare tire mount you see there. So it matches up really, really nice with that. But that's pretty much it overall. I'm really happy with the way everything looks. We're going to go through this. I'm going to go through and do an installation video here next, showing you where all these little things bolt together and how it's going to look actually installed on the car. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the videos, but we'll put together the install video next and we'll see what we think about it.